Toyota is set to release its new SUV, the Toyota Crown Sport, which will serve as the brand's unique mid-size passenger car aimed at younger customers. Built based on Toyota's Teen Jake architecture, the 2024 Crown Sport is designed to be sporty and dynamic. The front face of the car boasts the latest design style of the Crown family with highly recognizable headlights that match its large size. The air intake grille creates a good level of aggressiveness, adding to the car's sporty aesthetic. The side of the body is also dynamic, and the roof has a slightly back feeling. While the curvature of the back is distinct from that of the Mercedes-Benz Glüse Coupe, the 21-inch blackened wheels and wheel eyebrows add to the car's sporty attributes. The Crown Sport's dimensions are 4,710 min length, 1880 length, and 1560 min height, with a wheelbase of 2770 min. The rear of the car also focuses on its sporty style with blackened tailgates integrated with through-type bright black decorative stripes. The rear enclosure is equipped with a bright black rear diffuser, and the exhaust is hidden. The interior of the Crown Sport is similar to that of the Crown Sport Cross, with red and black color schemes creating a sporty atmosphere. The car is fitted with a 12.3-inch L-Skyd instrument panel, a 12.3-inch central control screen, and integrated sport seats. Under the hood, Toyota's new Crown Sport model will be equipped with a 2.4 Hybrid Max engine, providing a minimum power of 270 kilowatts and a peak torque of 540 tween. The transmission system may provide a 6-speed automatic manual gearbox, while the 5th model will be equipped with a plug-in hybrid system consisting of a 2.5-liter naturally aspirated engine plus an electric motor matched with an Equivet gearbox. The car will also feature an electronic suspension and Deere's rear wheel steering system.